Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert and welcome to my channel. First, free SVG file for everybody if you have any digital die-cut machine, and feel free to go to Local King's online store and to download this favorite SVG file. So you can see I have a 12 by 12 scrapbooking pages right in front of me. Actually, I got this idea from my friend Lisa. If you haven't got a chance to watch my last video, Lisa from Savannah, she made the 2022's monthly calendar for me. And then so she gave me this idea because I am not into the scrapbooking pages. One of the main reason because my family member is very small. You can count it with just one hand, and then that's it. And I don't have any children, so I don't have a lot of photo that I can do the scrapbooking pages. But I do like to have some scrapbooking pages too. So after I receive Lisa's calendar, I say, oh, you know what? How about I create some scrapbooking pages? I can create a calendar and then I can actually use it. So if you're new to this channel, you haven't watched my last few video, I hope you like this idea, the series. I was using this up combo set, that's our this month's special, create too many different kind of card. So I like to use the same stamp to create too many different kind of card to share with you how you can, just using the same stamp I created too many different card. Did I just repeat that? I did. Okay, so if you haven't got a chance, make sure you watch the video number 325. There is 7 or 8 different kind of idea. So today's video, I actually combine all my ideas to scrapbooking pages, and that's how I come up with this one. So all the digital file, I'm new to the digital file, so there is a few of the digital files. They are ready to, they are available for purchase, and you can see they are all on sale because I'm still kind of just testing the market, see how's the response. But I would like to give you this favorite SVG file for free. So it's no purchase necessary. What are you going to do? You just have to have an account, and then you just have to check out. You don't need to fill it out the Visa card information or nothing. So once when you complete the checkout, and you will receive an invoice from me, and on that invoice they will the download link. Just remember the download link is only available for 90 days. So this is a start, and if you like the idea, leave me a comment below. And I think every month I will actually create a monthly page and then to share with you guys. And then I think every month I'm going to offer the free download for that month. So this month is February, and it's going to be March and April. So that's something I like to do for you, and I hoping you can give a try. And then maybe later on, I will create a few more scrapbooking pages. Scrapbooking pages doesn't have to have a picture, right? So you can just using your pages to tell the story. I think that's a good idea, and I'm going to give it a try. So stay tuned. I am going to share with you guys what I do, how I'm going to use a rubber stamp to create scrapbooking pages without the picture. But sometimes we can put some picture. Okay, so that's the first one. And then after you finish your pages, right? So what I can do is I have this album, probably over 20 years already. So this is a perfect. What you can do is I think I only did so immature. I think I did the first time when I went to Alaska cruise, and then they give you some free stuff, and I bought something from the Paper Wizard. Paper Wizard is one of my favorite vendors, and then I just love all their die-cut work. But now I am into the digital, so I can create myself. And this is from one of the other vendor too. But see, they have a lot of area you have to put the scrapbooking pages too, right? But I don't have a photo. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, this is how I'm going to storage my calendar. And then I think it's a great idea too, right? If you have a some crafting friend who is into the crafting, maybe next year you can start like a swap. And then I think it's just awesome. And then you can actually, this is a calendar, and then I think you can just download this one from internet. I download this one and I print it. I kind of make it a little bit smaller. So I am welcome all the comments. What do you think about it? And then um I think I just love the idea. And then can you imagine every year you're going to have a one um 12 by 12 calendar scrapbooking pages ready. So I like the idea. How do you think? Okay, so that's today's video. Is pretty short, and then this is the cloud stencil. I mean the the digital file, and I was creating, and then you can create a stencil, and also you can create like a die cut too. So, and I combine these rainbow. So just make sure if you have any question, leave me a comment below, let me know. And then but for this February, just go ahead to download it. Remember, they are only available 90 days. After 90 days, the link will be expired. But if you send me an email, I will just send it to you. Yeah, just download it, save on your hard drive. That save you and me a trouble. So, and then if you haven't got a chance to check it out, the perfect way to do the rainbow color, the stencil, there's a lot of idea on my YouTube channel. And then it's a Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Should I ask my husband to create some videos? Or maybe I should start to buying a Valentine's gift for myself, right? Okay, so hoping you like this idea. But if you have any questions, send me an email or leave me a comment, let me know. And this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stand. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.